Good morning children. This video is for class 1 students and the subject is computer. As I have written here, today's date, it is 9th of July 2020. Okay, class 1 computer. It is 9th video, that's why I have written here part 9. Some extra question answers. As you know that in last video in part 8 I have given you some extra questions till number 1 to 4. It is here you can see on your screen in that video. That is, I have given you this monitor, mouse, keyboard and CPU. Okay, so these questions I think that all of you have written in your copy. Now we will start some other questions which you have to do in your copy, and in those section now we are going to continue with question number 5. Till 1 to 4 we have done in last video, and from 5 to 8 we are going to do today itself. So it is from chapter number 3. Okay, so chapter number 3, some extra questions which I have left for today's class, that is about UPS, printer, scanner and the speaker. So about these devices you have to write in your copy. So what you have to do, first of all you just take out your computer copy, write down there today's date, that is the 9th July 2020, chapter number 3, extra question answers. Okay, write down the uses of these devices. Number 5, the first one as I have written, it is UPS. So UPS, about UPS I am going to write it here. You also write it in your copy, computer copy, what you have written in last video. From there you have to start today itself. So about UPS we will start. UPS can supply uninterrupted power. Power means electricity. So UPS can supply uninterrupted power. It stands for I am going to write it here, the full form of UPS, uninterrupted power supply. So this is about UPS. UPS can supply uninterrupted power. It stands for uninterrupted power supply. Now we will move to number 6. It is about printer. So you write it there, number 6, and then write printer. Be careful about your spellings. Whatever spellings I am writing in my paper, you have to write same to same in your paper or in your copy. Here we have to write about printer. Printer is used to print on a paper. This is the uses of printer. Printer is used to print on a paper. The next one, it is number 7, and here in number 7 we have to write about scanner. What are the uses of scanner? So we are going to write it here about scanner. Scanner is used to scan the contents of a paper. So what is the use of scanner? Scanner is used to scan the content of a paper. Whatever is written in your paper, it can be scanned by the scanner. The last one is speaker. We have to write about speaker. What is the use of speaker? Speaker is used to produce sound. Speaker is used to produce sound. When speaker is attached with your computer, it is helpful to produce the music with whatever. If you want to listen music, then if you want to play any movies on your computer, then you need a speaker to hear the sound. So speaker is used to produce sound. So these are some extra question answers which I have given you. You have to learn it for your exam. And once again I am going to repeat whatever I have given today. First one is UPS. UPS can supply uninterrupted power. It stands for uninterrupted power supply. U for uninterrupted, P for power, and S for supply, uninterrupted power supply. Number 6, it is about printer. Printer is used to print on a paper. If you want to take a print of anything in your whatever you have written or drawn in your computer, if you want to take a printout, then you have to attach your computer with a printer, and with the help of this printer you can take the printout of that particular written or drawn object. So printer is used to print on a paper. The next one is number 7. It is about scanner. Scanner is used to scan the contents of a paper. If you want to scan the contents, whatever you have written on a paper, if you want to scan it, then you have to use the scanner. It can scan the contents of a paper. The last one I have given here, speaker. What is the use of speaker? Speaker is used to produce sound. If you want to play music or movie on your computer system, then you need a sound system. So that is a speaker, and it is helpful to produce sound. So you can listen the sound, or you can listen the voice of that particular game or movie or music. So speaker is used to produce sound. These are the extra questions from 1st to 8. I am going to again remind you whatever I have given, these extra questions. As you can see that in previous video, that is my part 8 video, you can see, write down the uses of these devices. First one I have given monitor. Monitor is used to display the result. It looks like a television. The next one you can see, it is about mouse. Mouse is used to draw the picture. The next one you can see that it is a keyboard. Keyboard is used to type alphabets, numbers and other signs. CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is used to add and subtract the numbers. Number 4 is completed. Now we are moving to number 5. What is in number 5? In number 5, in today's video, we'll start. I have started from number 5. It is about UPS. UPS can supply uninterrupted power. It stands for uninterrupted power supply. Number 6, it is about printer. Printer is used to print on a paper. Number 7, it is about scanner. Scanner is used to scan the contents of a paper. The last one is number 8, speaker. Speaker is used to produce sound. So these are some extra question answer. You have to write it in your copy. Be careful about your spellings. Whatever spellings are written here, write it carefully, and then start doing revision for your exam. Start learning it, and then also you learn the spellings. And that's all for today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.